Why 3D printing education is essential for everybody.
We are going to show you a little glimpse into the future. First, let me ask you a question. Do you think that technology will create jobs or cost jobs in the future? And I mean in the next 5 years, not 50 years. Well, a lot of us believe that our contributions to our company are too prominent to be affected by change. We consider ourselves too experienced, too smart, and virtually indispensable, and that our jobs will not be done without us. There are others of us that believe that workplaces are changing, and that technology is on the way with super smart computers, or robots with artificial intelligence, which are going to make us humans wholly redundant. One thing we know is that technology has already had a profound influence on all of our lives. Do you think that technology will ultimately create jobs or cost jobs? Our research tells us that the net effect of jobs created or lost will be minimal. So if we are not going to be losing our jobs, then what's all the fuss about? Well, even though the net effect will be minimal, there is a seismic shift happening in the types of jobs we are doing. According to a very interesting report by the global management consulting firm McKinsey, 50% of current jobs around the world can be automated by technology that is already in existence today. Wow! But we must appreciate that people's roles will change, which means that we must learn to work differently. Governments, economies and companies recognize that if they do not embrace technology very quickly, they will be left behind. Many of today's leading companies are either built on technology or they have quickly adopted technology. This means that companies will only be hiring people who have the right skills. This is not a small problem. Reports suggest that at some point over the coming years, at least 800 million people across the world will need to be reskilled, upskilled, qualified or trained to do these upcoming roles. So, the future of work is changing. How are we going to bridge that increasing knowledge gap? How are we going to learn to do all those new job roles?
PLANETA 3D prepares you to bridge the increasing knowledge gap and helps you learn those new job roles. Industry 4.0 Education Lab is branded as Next Generation Lab by PLANETA 3D. Learning is very exciting since students gets the first-hand experience of the subject matter, especially in STEM subjects. 3D Printer Lab, Robotics Lab, Mathematics Lab are set up. Even India government promotes it. Please hear the news clip.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं इकोनॉमी टुडे। मैं हूं आतिल गुलाटी गुंबर। बच्चे किसी भी देश के उज्जवल भविष्य की नींव होते हैं। पढ़ने के साथ साथ अगर खेल खेल में विद्यार्थियों के लिए अपने अभिनव विचारों को साकार रूप देने का कार्यस्थल मिल जाए तो क्या बात है। एक ऐसी ही लैब जो उनके जुझारू सपनों को वास्तविकता की उड़ान दे। इन कार्यस्थलों पर कुछ ऐसा नया करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है जो विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी से जुड़ा होता है। इसी बात की सार्थकता को समझते हुए नीति आयोग द्वारा अटल इनोवेशन मिशन के तहत अटल टिंकरिंग लैब्स की स्थापना स्कूलों में की जा रही है, जो अत्याधुनिक प्रौद्योगिकी जैसे कि 3D प्रिंटर्स, रोबोटिक्स, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स आदि जो सब सुविधाएं हैं उनसे लैस हैं। विद्यार्थियों को खुद से करो की अवधारणा का उपयोग कर अपने अभिनव विचारों से भारत की सामाजिक, सामुदायिक अथवा आर्थिक समस्याओं का समाधान विकसित करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है।
Take a step towards the progress. Contact us now to do lab setup in your school, college, institute, factory and company anywhere in India. Work differently. Learn differently.